Hey car lovers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the beast that is the Lamborghini Huracan STO 2024. This isn't your average Huracan, as it's designed to blur the lines between road and track, promising an exhilarating experience for any driving enthusiast. Buckle up, because we're about to take this Italian masterpiece for a spin. Exterior design. Imagine a car that screams performance from every angle. That's the Huracan STO in a nutshell. The aggressive front end, with its gaping air intakes and carbon fiber splitter, hints at the raw power lurking beneath. The sleek, aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly to the massive rear wing, ensuring maximum downforce on the track. And let's not forget the iconic scissor doors, which make entering and exiting this beast an event in itself. Interior design. Step inside the Huracan STO, and prepare to be transported to a driver-focused haven. The minimalist interior prioritizes function over form, with Alcantara seats that provide both comfort and support during intense cornering. Carbon fiber accents add a touch of luxury, while the infotainment system remains simple and intuitive. The digital instrument cluster puts all the vital information directly in your line of sight, keeping your focus where it belongs: the road ahead. Engine and performance. But the heart and soul of the Huracan STO lies beneath the hood. A naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine roars to life, churning out a monstrous 640 horsepower. This potent beast is paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. And the top speed? A breathtaking 202 miles per hour. Track performance. The Huracan STO isn't just about brute force, it's also a track-ready weapon. Advanced aerodynamics generate downforce, keeping the car glued to the asphalt even during the most demanding maneuvers. The revised suspension and brakes offer exceptional control and responsiveness, while the rear-wheel steering system enhances agility and handling. This car begs to be pushed to its limits on the racing circuit. Special features. For the ultimate enthusiast, Lamborghini offers the limited edition Huracan STO SC10 Anniversario. Inspired by the SC63 hybrid prototype race car, this unique model boasts a stunning livery and performance enhancements like a revised exhaust system and upgraded brake cooling. Owning one of these is like owning a piece of automotive history. The Lamborghini Huracan STO 2024 is not just a car, it's an experience. It's a testament to Italian engineering prowess and a true driver's dream. Whether carving corners on the track or turning heads on the street, the Huracan STO delivers an unparalleled sense of excitement and satisfaction. If you're looking for the ultimate driving machine, look no further than this track-focused monster. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you're a fan of Lamborghini or simply appreciate automotive excellence, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, stay safe and keep your eyes on the road. Until next time.